What if I told you that everything you see in modern animated movies started as absolutely nothing? 3D animation isn't just drawing, it's digital sculpture. While 2D animation draws flat pictures, 3D artists literally build entire worlds in virtual space. Here's the crazy process. First, artists sculpt digital clay into characters and environments. This is called modeling. Then they add a digital skeleton, called rigging, so characters can actually move like real people. Then comes the magic, animation. Every single movement, every expression, every hair bounce is carefully crafted. Finally, powerful computers render everything with realistic lighting, textures, and physics. What took Disney armies of artists now fits in your laptop. From billion-dollar Pixar movies to viral TikToks, 3D animation is everywhere. And here's the best part. You can start today completely free with software like Blender. The only limit? Your imagination. If you enjoy learning about 3D animation and want to see other technology, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.